So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where I'm going to make a new entry, and as I will make a new entry, an automated message with image will be sent to my lead. So now let's make the entry and see the magic. So right here you can see that I have made this new entry providing my user's name, phone number and the image link. Now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to see whether we are receiving a WhatsApp message with image or not. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this image with this message or this caption which says a special offer just for you demo users. So now you can see that we have successfully sent this image with this caption, and this caption is personalized. Means here we are receiving the same name of the user which I have just entered over my Google Sheet. So you can see that by using this automation, I can send images to my customers and a personalized caption too. So now you can also create this automation for sending WhatsApp messages and images to your Google Sheet leads. So for that, we are going to use an amazing automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate your varieties of business application. So right here, I'm going to create this automation by using which, as you will make a new entry over the Google Sheet, an automated WhatsApp message with the image will be sent to your leads. So now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect to see how this automation can be created. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. So right here, I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can access by typing the URL of Pabbly Connect over the new tab that is going to be pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering the free trial, means you can create this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect now. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts. You might also get some other coupon codes providing you just 5% off. But by using my coupon code, you can get up to discount of 6%. Now let's move on towards the workflow page for creating this automation. So right here, I'm on my workflow page of Pabbly Connect, where we are going to select the trigger application. So triggers our first application or the application which initiates our workflow. So right here, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as receive a new entry over my Google Sheet. So here I have selected this application. Now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. And here we are getting this webhook URL, which will act as a bridge between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, so that the connection can be built in, and as I will make a new entry over my Google Sheet, the data can be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. So now for adding this webhook URL, you just have to copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet. So right here, I'm on my Google Sheet named as lead, and here I have already made a new entry having the user's name, phone number and the image which I want to send to my user. And now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the extension, select add-ons and select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app that is going to be Pabbly Connect Webhook. So here I'm going to search for it, and right here we are getting this application which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup to get the initial setup dialog box, where we are getting this option for adding the webhook URL. So I'm going to add it over here. So I have added the webhook URL which I have just received from the Pabbly Connect. Now for the trigger column, we have to enter the last data column of our Google Sheet. So right here, the last data column is C. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as C. Now we just have to click over the submit button, and here you can see that the setup has been configured. Now we just have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect, as here it is waiting for the webhook response. So now let's click over this send test, and this test data will be sent to the Pabbly Connect. And here it is successfully sent. So now let's check it. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect where we are successfully receiving the response as we have just built in the connection by using this webhook URL. And now as you will make a new entry, the data will be automatically captured. But for that you have to perform one more operation. That is, you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you don't have to send the data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch it. So right here you can see that send on event has been enabled successfully. Now the data will be automatically sent to the Pabbly Connect. Now I just want to send a WhatsApp message to my this lead. So for that we are going to use another application provided by Pabbly called as Pabbly Chatflow, by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your customers. So here I'm going to select this application. Now let's select the app event as send image message, as I want to send a message consisting the image. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page where for building a new connection you have to enter the token, and for getting the token you have to move towards the Pabbly Chatflow with me. So right here I'm on my all Pabbly apps page where you can see that we are getting this application, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an application by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your customers, can create chatbots, can create AI assistant, and you can even broadcast WhatsApp campaigns. So I'm going to just access it by simply selecting this access now button. And right here we are on the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow where for getting the token you have to move towards the settings, and here we are getting this option for API and webhooks which you have to select, and here we are getting this token which you have to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So here I have entered it. Now let's just save it, and here you can see that the connection has been built in so smoothly and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type my recipient's WhatsApp mobile number like this. But no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my recipient's WhatsApp mobile number from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and press this slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application, that is Google Sheets. So from its response I'm going to map my recipient's WhatsApp mobile number. Now here we have to enter the image URL. So for the image URL again I'm going to map it from the response of the Google Sheet. So here I have mapped it, and here I have mapped the image URL so that it can also be altered. And you have to remember one thing, that the image URL must be publicly accessible, and here I'm going to provide the caption to my image. So here in this caption I have provided this sentence, and here after this word you I'm going to enter the name of my customer or the lead. So for that again I'm going to map the data from the response of the Google Sheet. So here I have mapped the name of my user, and here you can even map the contact's full name. And now for this field, that is recipient WhatsApp mobile number, I'm going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving, as that was just a dummy number. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response which says that the message is sent. And here on my WhatsApp you can see that I'm successfully receiving this image. And this image consists of this caption which says, a special offer just for you test user. And here you can see that we are successfully getting the same name of the lead. So now you can see that I have created this automation by using which I'm sending image to my customers, and with that image I'm sending personalized message too. So now you can also create this automation within few minutes by just using this automation tool. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.